What's up, YouTubians? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another wonderful day of working in the garage. Finally decided, you know what? There's a few things I can do while we're waiting to get the channels done on the 60. 60? Yes. The Franken Beetle, Baja, Volksrod, whatever we're going to name it. Still waiting for that right name to be suggested. Keep commenting below. So anyway, let me bring you up to speed. Here we have the body off, ready to go. In case you've missed previous videos, we took the body off, braced everything, ready to go. Channels are shot, part of the car is shot. Heater channels are right here, ready to go ahead and get working on those soon, get those put in. But in the meantime, I'm really worried about the gas tank. I want to use that stock gas tank in the location and not put a Baja tank or anything up here. I really want to use that stock tank. So first off, I need to see if we can even save this tank. There's a bunch of holes on top. Then once we figure out if we can save it, we need to figure out how to clear the U-joint and all that for the steering for the extended beam, DIY beam extension that we did. So I think what we'll do is, instead of, somebody actually suggested, which I love this is why I'm glad that this is an awesome community. Somebody actually suggested, instead of me notching the tank out to clear that steering U-joint, try to raise the tank up. So I think here soon we'll do that. In the meantime, enough jibber jabber. Let's get to work. Well, the bottom of this turned out really nice. There's no through holes. It's just a lot of surface rust. That all cleaned up really nice. Now the part I'm worried about is the top side. That's gonna be pretty interesting to see how much of this just comes apart. Where you can see a hole there. Starting of some holes. Let's see how bad off this really is. How many holes did you guess? How many? Well, let's count real quick. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's just all pitted pretty bad and covered with Bondo. 8, 9, 10. And we haven't got to the backside yet. I don't know. It'll be kind of interesting to see if we can even save this. What have we got to lose? I don't know what we have to lose. Alright, so I'm starting to use my welder a little bit more. So far so good. Just gotta kind of play with the settings a little bit, just like any welder. I never said I was great at this, but if you look real close, that's not bad. Never said I was a professional welder, but Yeah, I can make that work. This one down here was kind of hard to see, so I got a couple more pinholes to fill up in that. This tank might be salvageable. I'm kind of show you why I was a little worried in the first place earlier. You see in there? Yeah, it's just like solid rust piles. It's pretty bad. So yeah, it is what it is. I think I might be able to salvage it. When we get the holes cleaned up, then we'll be able to treat the whole thing. That'd be nice, because it's not really easy finding these old large neck gas tanks for a decent price. And the new ones suck if you can find new ones, because pandemic. All right, let's see if I can screw it up. Let's keep moving on. Alright, for some reason you guys stopped recording. So I got a lot of everything filled in, done, looks good, can't see. Then I started thinking, I'm sealing up all the holes so I don't spill gas, right? That big motor is gonna need some kind of vent. If I put the gas cap on, a piece of, I don't know, almost 1/4-inch brake line, should be able to drill a hole right about there, stick it through, and weld it in place, and give me, see what I'm doing there? Give me a way to vent. It won't be in the way of the gas cap or anything, so we should just drill a hole. And right about there looks good.
And I'm pretty sure that's way too small. Yep, let's stuff it up. Oops, I bumped you, sorry. Get out of the way. Yeah, one more. There we go. Now I need to clean off some of the coating on here.
And what I'll do is I'll hold that right about there. And we'll go ahead and try to get that tacked into place. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I mean, I've already done like, what, 10 holes or something. So if this doesn't work, I just fill one more hole. Is that how it works?
Yeah, it's not working well. Alright, how can I do this? Let's try that. Alright, that did not work. You're in the way. Didn't even get to it. There we go. That'll work.
I know, I'm going overkill, but what I'm doing is I'm building it up around so I've got plenty to grind off and taper it.
Oh, where'd you go? There you are. I got it.
I just gotta get in there and grind all that down, smooth it out. Make sure it still blows through. Oh yeah, that'll work. That's not the prettiest, but you get the drift. Still gotta do a little bit more cleanup around there, but at least now we'll have a vent on the tank. Which with that 2054 on there, we're gonna need the vent. Definitely gonna need the vent. We got an original Volkswagen large gas cap. We still got a little bit to clean up here. But for the most part, most everything's done on the front side. The only thing left, so we really need to kind of go through some of these here. See if any of those are gonna give us problems. But the bottom's really solid. So what I'll do is I'll probably go ahead and take and coat the bottom and coat the bottom with some Ospo or something just to keep it from rusting. That's all solid. No thin spots, no nothing. It's all solid. We'll see if we can get the see if we can get that off of there. That'd be nice. So let's do that next. So it really doesn't take much Ospo at all. Simply just open it up, pour a little. I like to use these disposable brushes and just start painting.
Well, I made that run all over the place.
What this is going to do is this is going to turn that rust black and neutralize it. It's essentially an acid for rust. If you want to get a little bit more technical or anything, Google. That's what I can tell you. Google.
Google it!
Just make sure you coat it all real well. And make sure you do this in a ventilated area. Wow, I can tell you that. Do this in a ventilated area, not in the house. Definitely not in the house, behind closed doors. Do it outside for the world to see. All right. Well, there you go. You get the gist of it. It's like watching paint dry, right? We can actually take this and put it on the bare metal that we've already treated as well, or welded to treat it. Just keep it from turning. See it turning kind of blackish. Blackish. So you just want to let that dry. Once it's dry, you can move on. There we go. Well guys, I'm hungry, I'm tired. It's time to clean up. Ankle's starting to get kind of sore again, so it's time to go in, get some lunch, relax for the rest of the day, so I can go to work tomorrow, because yay. Anyway, appreciate you guys sticking around. Thanks for the support. We'll catch you soon. Let's get some channels done next. Till then, be kind to one another. Treat others the way you want to be treated. And by golly, be good.